So quite a few people have asked me, should I get the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro or the Xiaomi Mi 10? They come in at a pretty similar price point. Which phone has the best features? Which phone has the best value? Let's talk about that today. Now, it's worth noting today that I'm gonna try doing this video a little bit different. I'm gonna talk about the specs, which one is just like the purely best value here on YouTube. I'm gonna have an extended version of this as a podcast for you guys to listen to if you guys would rather just not look at my boring face or boringness of Vietnam. But you guys seem to like Vietnam. Safety first. Safety first. I made a video about 2 weeks ago about why I wouldn't purchase the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. But that video is for me, the above average tech consumer. I think the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro actually makes a lot of sense for like possibly the majority of people. This is why. When you really love basketball and ball is life. Can anyone shoot the three-pointer from here? Running down just the specs of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, it seems, and in most ways it is, a better buy than the Xiaomi Mi 10. The cameras are the same, and actually, the Mi 10T Pro has a better macro camera. So, no real camera advantage, Xiaomi Mi 10. The screen is a flat display. I personally like flat displays more. Although curved displays do offer certain advantages in regards to being immersive. By the way, check out this little scene here. Chicks. Only thing going against the display of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro is that it's LCD. It's a high quality LCD, but it's LCD. So if you have to have an AMOLED display, you really only have one choice. The refresh rate, it's a higher refresh rate, 144 Hertz compared to 90 Hertz. It's got a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And I've said time and time again that I miss rear fingerprint scanners. And for me, the in-display fingerprint scanner is not necessarily a reason to purchase a device. So for my book and from an overall usability standpoint, the side-mounted fingerprint scanner will probably function better for the majority of people. Good, eh? So from just an overall usability standpoint, the Mi 10T Pro does not sacrifice anything on the usability side to the Xiaomi Mi 10. You lose wireless charging, which for some people that's a big deal. You know that I like my little MagSafe chargers, and I'm gonna do another video on those MagSafe chargers because now it's gonna rank higher on YouTube and I'm gonna get more money from that, so might as well do a video. And I think there is some renewed interest in magnetic charging connectors, thank you Apple. The charging tech for both of these devices is the same. Charging brick is the same. Battery. Now the Mi 10T Pro has a 300 milliamp hour larger battery than the regular Xiaomi Mi 10 at 5,000 milliamp hours. The Xiaomi Mi 10 has 4,700 milliamp hours for the non-Pro variant. But in real world use case scenario, you're probably not going to see much of a difference in battery life, possibly even the Mi 10T Pro peaking out and getting slightly better battery life than the regular Xiaomi Mi 10. Ôi, chào con, đang làm gì đấy? Đi... hôm nay cháu nên đi trường học không? Bye bye. Now, for most average consumers, if you turn the display rate of the display down, you're probably gonna get better battery life. You're gonna have a faster, or in my opinion, slightly more ergonomic fingerprint scanner, and more likely than not, you're gonna be spending less money on all of this stuff. In my mind, it makes this a pretty clear advantage for the overall Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro as just a better value for most people. Next part of this video is going to be about who should buy the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro versus who should buy the regular Xiaomi Mi 10. I'm going to post this whole extra video up on my Twitter as well as my podcast. And let's just hop into this extra content right now. Now, after comparing the specs of the Mi 10T Pro and the Mi 10, it's really clear that if you